What's up, guys? We got these brand new beautiful accumulators that are going to be going on this 1994 Geo tracker, and before we put them on, we're going to show you some before and after of how this thing rides like a tank and how it's going to float like a Cadillac afterwards. Good God, let me put my seatbelt on. Pray for me, guys. I'm riding with my wife. She's driving.
Oh hush, you love being passenger princess.
Let me tell you. Jesus God. This thing's like riding in a two-seater golf cart if it was slow. You know, I know some people like to feel the wind in their hair and everything, but since I don't have a lot of it. So the thing is, when we built this thing, it was supposed to be a dancer. So unfortunately, we made it a little too pretty to tear it up. So we decided to make it a cruiser from this point forward. So now here we are putting accumulators on the rear because, you know, it rides like shit. Appreciate it. So we got a few bumps coming up. That's not even the bad one. We got this one, this bump's coming up. It's pretty rough. God damn.
Thank you.
That was fun. Yeah. Suck. That wasn't that bad. What are you talking about? Oh, that one.
That's a good one.
Yeah, this one's rough. Oh shit. All right.
Ready for the accumulators?
Time for accumulators.
You know.
So the way we decided to do the accumulators was to tap into the side of the dump here. We're going to use shut-off valves so that we can still dance it if we wanted to, but for the most part we can use these accumulators only in the rear because that is what causes the most violent, you know, ride. So this is where the setup is, this is where all the weight is, this is what causes you to bounce so much. So that's where we decided to put it. So we got these bad boys on and we got our ground connected. It is going to be the first time we're going to hit this switch, and go ahead, baby. All right, dump it. Oh yeah, no leaky leak. Looks like we're good to go on everything. Go ahead, tap it again. All right. Oh yeah, it already looks a lot better. Not as violent. So something to point out is when you put accumulators on something, the first couple of hits is always almost dry, it seems like. So like you'll notice, and go ahead and dump it all the way, make sure it's dumped. All right, so hit the switch. So see how it didn't really lift at all? It's because it's filling up the accumulators basically at that point. So go ahead and tap it up. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Keep going. All right, stop, down. Okay, so we have no slowdowns on these things at all because like I said, it was meant to be danced. So the only slowdowns are to shut these things on and off. So we're gonna try that really quick. Hopefully I don't get shot in the face with some fluid because that would make a great video though. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these bad boys off. That way, let's assume we're at the car show. We're gonna hit some switches and dance it just a little bit. We got to have these accumulators off. All right, now go ahead, hit that switch. Oh yeah, there's the old you. All right, down. Man, if you can't tell the difference between that and with accumulators, you crazy. All right, go ahead and tap it again, and I'm gonna quickly go ahead. All right, now go down. Is that all the way? All right, now we're gonna open these bad boys back up. All right, hit it up. Hit it again. Look at that. You can actually see it. Go ahead, down. Now, when it's all the way down, there's no accumulators, there's no pressure on the accumulator, so they're doing nothing. So from this point forward, before we go anywhere, we'll end up tapping it up just a hair just to make sure that there's, you know, pressure on that. Ready for that ride?
Let's go.
All right, so this is to show the 3-wheel without accumulators. Go ahead. A little more. All right. One more. One more. All right. Now you can dump it whenever you're ready. All right, now we're going to turn the accumulators back on. All right, go ahead when you're ready. That's it right there. Now whenever you're ready. A hell of a lot smoother, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. It doesn't hurt.
All right, round 2. Let's see how she does. Now those bumps weren't nothing. All right, here's the big bumps that we hit earlier. Good God. Wow.
I can wear any bra I want now.
You ain't gotta wear one.
That'll be fun. She's very smooth.
A few things to note. These things are charged at 350 PSI, which I was a little concerned that they might be a little overcharged for this vehicle, but it actually worked out just fine. They ride pretty perfect. With a heavier car like a G-Body or Impala or something like that, these things would work phenomenal. If these were charged at about 200, they might actually work just a little bit better, might be a little bit softer, but the truth is they're pretty damn soft now. So anyway, hopefully you found this video informative. We actually had a lot of fun making this video, so make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and catch us on the next video.